Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students, with a new lesson. And in this review video, as we took in the previous lesson, vocabulary, the secret world of caves, and with vocabulary we also studied sentences from the textbook. So that's lesson number 3 from your reading and writing workshop book. The first word was classification, which means the act of sorting things into groups is classification. So sorting to mean dealing, to organizing things into groups, that's called classification. And in the sentence you can see that classification of grocery items by category makes them easier to find. So when you classify things, it's easier to find and take a record of something, as you can see in the picture also. The second one was species. Species mean a group of related living things with very similar characteristic, same characteristic qualities. As you see in the picture of your textbook, dogs are among the most popular species that people keep as pets. Pets mean as the animal that keep at home, that people take care at home, and so these are species. And as you know, a group of related living things with similar characteristics. So group of living things, it can be animal. Number third was maneuvering. Maneuvering means when you're maneuvering something, you are guiding or moving its position with skill. It means to do something skillfully. That's the definition of maneuvering. And here you can see in maneuvering in your book with the sentence, maneuvering his bicycle up the twisting and rocky path was easy for him. So he was maneuvering his bicycle in order to avoid rocks and to follow a smooth way. Maneuvering skillfully, to follow something skillfully. The next word was flanked. Flanked means to be placed or positioned on either side of something or someone. So what does it mean? It further clarifies with the sentence here in your book. Cheering fans flanked the road as the marathon runner ran past. So flank means when the people, they are at the sides, both sides of the roads in order to welcome their celebrity. That cheering fan, the happy people, fan, the people who came here to watch his favorite athletes or runners or their sportsmen or women. So that's called flanked. So flank means to place a position on either side of something or someone. The next one is obscure. It means to obscure something is to hide it from view. So to hide it from view, that's called obscure. The meaning here in your book with the picture, Earth's shadow will obscure the moon. It means it will hide the moon during the eclipse. The next word is compartment. Compartment is a separate section, it's a small section. And in your book, compartment here is she placed her luggage in the plane's overhead compartment. So she was putting the stuff and the luggage in the compartment. And you have the next word, engulf. Engulf means to surround. When something engulf a person, object, it completely surround, it takes over. So that was it completely surround. In your book with the picture sentence, you can see that engulf, fog often engulf part of the bridge in the morning. So you see the fog engulf the bridge. Engulf means cover. And you have the last sentence, and the word is submerged. Submerged means a submerged object is covered with water, something covered with water. So covered with water, and in the sentence you can see with the picture that a scuba diver explored the submerged shipwreck. So you see that that scuba diver was submerged. It means in the water. Hopefully you will have understood. See you inshallah with a new review video in the next class. Till that time, goodbye.